The XRP price fell sharply yesterday as a result of Bitcoin's flash crash, as did the entire altcoin market. The price briefly fell by 21% yesterday, plummeting from around 64 cents to $0.505. Although the price was still able to recover above the 200-day exponential moving average (EMA) in the one-day chart at $0.5712 by daily close, it is still down around 10% compared to yesterday's high. Nevertheless, crypto analyst XRP Crypto remains bullish and was able to take some good out of yesterday's crash. In his latest analysis of the one-day XRP/USD chart, XRP highlighted that the XRP price is in a preparation phase for an upswing. XRP's chart presented on X provides insights into the XRP's current position and potential future movements. XRP price gearing up for an upswing soon? XRP's analysis starts by revisiting the August scenario where XRP touched the lower boundary of its ascending channel amidst a massive liquidation in the crypto space amounting to $1 billion. Fast forwarding to the present, XRP is once again at this critical juncture with a similar scale of liquidation occurring yesterday. Related reading: XRP price projection, Analyst envisions potential 50x surge to $14. Here's why. Now, after 5 months, it's revisiting that zone with another aggressive $1 billion liquidation, XRP notes. Remarkably, the XRP bulls defended once again the lower trendline of the ascending channel which was established in May last year. The XRP bulls' steadfast buying represents a strong bullish signal, particularly as they have maintained the price above the so-called Valhalla line. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.